Namaste to all. Myself Ramesh Kumar, Department of APM, Assistant Professor from Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Our subject is .NET Technology. In last lecture, we have studied about .NET, difference between VB.NET and Visual Basics. Okay. So today we will start how we can install, how we can start VB.NET. Okay. So here the dialog box you are seeing. Starting with VB.NET, first point is create a new project. Click on new project, and now you have to select the line left and select. Okay, so you have to select the new project, and now you have to select in the left pane select. Okay, in the next step Visual Basic, and on the right pane select console application. After selecting new project, go on console application on the right side of the Visual Basics, right? And the next slide is, this is the dialog box, how the screen will appear before you when you select a new project and console application like this. So here this is the path and this is the web file name. Okay, so next slide. And after selecting console application, the coding will appear like this as a dialog box. In this window, you are provided with the module which similar to the class in C# and sub is the subroutine. Whatever coding you want to write, you have to write in the main subroutine. Okay. So what here you see, after selecting console application, the coding will appear like this, and how we can start here to write a code. In this window, you are provided with the module which similar to the class in C# and sub is the subroutine. Whatever coding you want to write, you have to write in the main subroutine. You have to what to do, where you have to start your coding, you have to write in the submenu here. This is the submenu here. Okay. So this is the way how you can start your codings. Now console class defined in the namespace system is used for interacting with the console. The console is the technical term which refers to the combination of the monitor and keyboard, or in other words you can say that DOS based input and output. So what we can say, console defined as the namespace system. Console is the namespace system. Okay, is used for interacting with the console. What? Console what? It is interacting with the console. You may say, yeah, we have studied about console in C also. So control term defines the combination of monitor and keyboard, or you can say that it is a DOS based input and outputs systems. Right? So in next slide, this is the some functions, some method. These are explained in details. Method in read. What does it? It is used for read a single character. Read method what? It is used to read a single character. The general form is in read. It will return the ASCII value of the character which we have read from console. So read method. And again this method what? It is a single character, and if you write in read method, it will return the ASCII value of the character which we have read from the console. Read line method. This method is used to read a string. Read line what? It is used to read a string. The general form is a string read line. most of the parameter passed by reference, while VB.NET parameter passing by default value. Okay. So in other cases, parameter passed by reference value, while in case of VB.NET parameter passing by default value, .NET is a strongly typed or type-safe language, while it is not a strongly typed. But we say .NET is a strongly typed or type-safe language, while VB.NET is not a strongly typed language. So in next write method, it will be used to display information on the screen and on the same line. Write method what? What does write method work? It will be used to display information on the screen and on the same line. Example for me, void write. Write with console.write hello. It will display your statement on the screen. Console.write well. If you write here hello JVW, will display like that JVW. So console.write what? It display the information statement on the screens. Write line, it will be used to display information on the screen and will display it on the new line. Write line, display on the new line if you want to display the statement on the new line. The write line method will be used here. And void write line, console.write line hello, console.write line, here output is what? Hello is in another line, void is in another line. So if you want to go on new line, you have to write the method console.write line like that. Okay. So this is all about VB.NET. How we can start the VB.NET, how we can write the VB.NET codings, where we can write the .NET coding. So today is all about that, and I think you like my videos. So comment more and more, subscribe, suggest and subscribe more and more, and we will meet in next lecture. Thank you to all.